best course about how to make sales.
Totally excited and it works.
Hey, Johncrestani here. So last year my business did $3.4 million and last month it did $691,965. And I'm going to be breaking down exactly the 6 different methods that I use to make this money in my business, as well as what incomes are affiliate marketing, what incomes are not affiliate marketing, to give you insight into how my business runs. And I want to keep in mind, I have 0 employees, okay? Big fat 0 employees. So hopefully this will be motivational to you. I don't usually do this sort of video, but it'll show you that you don't need to build a big business or all that stuff. You can have a business running completely by yourself and make some pretty significant amount of money. So let's get into the different sort of incomes I have. So I'm going to use this marker and I'm going to highlight the incomes that are affiliate marketing versus not affiliate marketing so you can kind of understand where my money's coming from. So the first program that I use to make a lot of money is hosting. And with this, I make something around $21,000 per month, recommending people to sign up to their own website. I make this with the Bluehost affiliate program. They pay me something like $140 per customer that I refer. So that's one income stream. This is largely passive, and this is affiliate. So this is affiliate marketing right here. The second income stream I have is software. I recommend people sign up for ClickFunnels, people who take various programs of mine, or if you watch this training channel, I don't have any technical skills. I don't know how to program. I don't know any of that jazz. And ClickFunnels is what I used and really helped me grow my business as a marketer. So I actually recommend ClickFunnels to other people. I make about $11,000 per month with ClickFunnels, and that is also affiliate. ClickFunnels allows you to build websites without knowing any programming, so it's really cool, and that's largely recurring. They actually gave me a free car. My own info product. Now, my own info product, this is my 6-week course where I teach marketing. I have an online course, which there should be a link in the description somewhere around this video. But basically, I'm teaching people how to be affiliate marketers and place paid advertising on Google, Facebook, and YouTube, and other places. My program retails for $5,000, or if you go through the webinar, you can get it for a discount of $1,000. And my info product last month, I did $369,000 in sales on my information products, just to give you guys an idea. So that's a pretty big income stream. This is not affiliate marketing. So this is my own product. Also, YouTube. YouTube is another income stream. It is not affiliate related. It is advertising related, largely passive. But that I made a whopping $437 from. So YouTube doesn't make me a lot of money. The ads just don't make you a lot of money for stuff. From events, this is another thing where I'm an affiliate for the events companies. And last month I did $289,000. So I'm a big affiliate for events companies, and this is another really large income stream for me, along there with my info product, and I have my passive income up here. And investments, I haven't been able to make a lot of money with. I don't know why. I lost money last year in investments, actually. And I only made, last month, I made $426 in my investments. These are largely passive, which is nice. But as you see, the bulk of my income comes from these 2 areas which I focused on. I just found I could create a better product and that there wasn't very good training in this market. So that's a description of my incomes. What's nice is that if I stopped teaching anyone or whatever, you know, I have very passive incomes right here, always coming in, and I also have a huge events affiliate thing coming on. So it's really cool. Now, if you're looking, obviously I just want to put a disclaimer on all this, is that these numbers, this is what I did in a month, and these are not typical results for everyone going into affiliate marketing, and it took me years to get to this level. I've been doing affiliate marketing full time since 2012. So 2012 is when I quit my job and I started doing affiliate marketing for an investment company, and very quickly started earning $50,000 and more per month. But to get incomes like this, it's not normal. But I hope this can motivate you in some way, shape, or form, that if you just go after it, you can make a lot of money. Now, if you're wondering what percentage of this is profit, I'm not going to go into those exact numbers right now, but a good deal of it is. So a good deal of this is profit. Obviously, like any business, I have a lot of expenses related to advertising and related to, I work with a lot of contractors and ad agencies in my business. I'm working with a lot of people, but overall, what the nice thing about affiliate marketing is that you're never like coming out of pocket money. It's always, I'm spending money on ads, but I know they're going to work. So I'm always very net positive at the end of the day. I don't have many costs like inventory. Again, nothing that I'm doing requires me to carry inventory or to have office space or to have, complicated equipment or whatnot. All of this is virtual. Part of what I've always wanted in my life is just having kind of that freedom to do whatever I want, wherever I want, and not really be beholden to a boss or to clients or what have you. So that was the intention I set for creating my business. And what's really cool is that years later, I've created some significant income sources for myself. And, I'm able to hopefully, affect the world in a good way with the markets I'm marketing and all that jazz. So been able to make a business as a marketer, putting up ads and seeing a return on investment, which is something I enjoy doing, and internet research and all that jazz. I have a free course. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can learn more about me. If you like this video, give me a big fat like. And also, if you have any questions for me about anything really, feel free to put a comment. Let me know what your question is, and I'll try to respond to everybody possible. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this motivates you to go out there and start your business. Again, this took me a while to get to this point, but you can create whatever you want for yourself in your life. If you just 100% believe in yourself, get rid of any blame and just go for it. It's anything's possible. So talk to you soon.